Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Heather, otherwise known as Heather Rar. If you clicked on this video, then you're probably interested in how I use these different products or a few products as an everyday makeup tutorial, and that's what I'm going to do. So let's go ahead and start. I usually go for everyday looks on a daily basis. I am the type of person who's more about skin first before makeup, but I do love makeup. I feel like it emphasizes your beauty, and I feel like a little bit does go a long way, and I don't need to use that much to achieve what I personally think is beautiful in my eyes. So maybe I can help you in achieving that too if you have the same look at makeup, or maybe you like skin more than makeup, I don't know. But let's get into this video. And I created this playlist, this everyday makeup tutorial playlist, because I want to help a lot of people who are lazy girl makeup lovers, on the go makeup lovers, 10-minute makeup lovers, just super easy tutorials. If you saw the thumbnail, then I am only going to be focusing on a few products every video. And we're going to go ahead and start off with my Hourglass sticks. One is a foundation stick and one is a highlighter stick, and these are absolutely must-haves. I feel like you can use them for everyday looks, and they're super easy to use, and the quality of these products are so amazing. So let's go ahead and start with these two. So I don't always do the full tutorial, exactly the skincare, the everything else I've already applied on my face. I just focus on a few of the products so that it's a shorter video, and so that if you are looking for a certain product, since there's going to be multiple brands, it's going to be easier to look for as well on my channel. So this is a foundation stick originally, but I know that for sure I am not the shade Nude for my skin color, and I purposely chose a lighter tone so that I could use it as a concealer. So that means I'm not going to use it all over the face. I'm just going to use it in the highlighting areas of my face, like underneath the eyes, the chin, around the mouth, under the nose, and on the forehead. But I am also going to just use my fingers so that it would be easier, and I feel like this product does well using your fingers. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply it right on the skin, just little taps, and I don't feel like I need a lot. So cover up that redness around the mouth to emphasize the mouth, the chin, one dot on the nose, and a little bit on the forehead. Again, my technique is using the fingers and just patting and blending with your fingers. Mainly the middle fingers, I feel like. So as you can see, Nude is a really good color for my skin tone. And I feel like that's a very natural look. So I'm done with that. It's an everyday concealer. So next we're going to use the Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder. It is a brightening powder like it says. So it does brighten up your skin, not like their translucent, which just kind of sets the powder. I am using the KKW Beauty contour maybe, or powder contour brush that they have, the dual ended, and I like to use the flat side because I feel like It's such a soft bristle brush and it's really nice, and I just like to use this every day for my everyday powders. So that's what it looks like. It is a white looking powder. And I always put product on, a little of the product here so I can build it if I want, on the cap. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set the forehead, sides of the nose. A little, again, goes a long way. Okay, again, this brush is amazing. And then put the excess on the neck. We're gonna move on to the Hourglass Vanish highlighting stick in the shade Champagne Flash, which is one of my favorites of all time. It's definitely one of my favorite stick highlighters ever made to this date. I do have a video on it. I will link that down in the description box down below, but it is definitely one of my favorites and I love it so much. So they do have other shades, but I feel like this shade in particular is just way too beautiful. It's gorgeous, and it's definitely, if you're looking for an extra pop for every day, this is the one to choose and go for. So I like to take my pinky, and again, if you've seen my other videos, go in the usual spots. Tip of the nose, in the middle of the eyes, maybe a little bit on the brows, and then excess on the middle, the bridge of the nose, and then just kind of 1, 2, 1, 2. You can just blend up. I'm gonna set everything with one of my brand new setting mists, and it is the Little Barn Apothecary. That's the brand, and I got it at Ulta, and it is organic, which is one of the main reasons I chose this or wanted to try it. It's because I'm trying to transition all of my skincare kind of and makeup into organic products, because I believe that's the best for you. But this is the Coconut and Pear Refreshing Mineral Mist, and we're gonna set the face with it. That smells amazing. It smells amazing and it feels amazing. And as you can see, my face feels refreshed, and that was it, guys. Another everyday makeup tutorial in the books, in my playlist, in my brand new playlist. I hope it helped you out. That was my video. Go ahead and check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment down below, and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. This look is what I like to do almost on an everyday basis. It's super easy, and I hope it helped you out in any way that it could. And I will see you guys all next time. Bye, guys.